Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from webcity.com, and today in this video tutorial I'll teach you how to create a property listing website or a real estate website by using WP Residence WordPress real estate theme. This theme is also known as Residence Real Estate WordPress theme. This WP Residence theme is one of the best selling real estate WordPress theme at present time. By using this theme, not only you as an admin can create the property listing, but also you can allow third-party person to come to your website and register themselves as a agent or a agency and listed their property. You can keep the property listing feature for other person paid as well as free. In this tutorial, I keep the property listing free, but in my next video tutorial, I will teach you how to create paid property listing option or how to enable the paid property listing option for the agent or agency or the developers. Now without wasting time, let me introduce you with the main important feature of this theme. This theme uses Elementor as default page builder. As you know, Elementor is a drag and drop page builder. So for designing this website, no need of any kind of coding knowledge. If any person watch my video tutorial from starting to end, I can guarantee that after finishing this tutorial, he or she can create this kind of professional real estate website without any help. This theme provides you almost 30 plus real estate demo template, and these are all made by the professionals, and you can import these demos in your website by just a single click. In this tutorial I'll teach you how to import the demo also, so don't worry about that. This theme also supports various type of native language like Dutch, Portuguese, Italian, French, Arabic, so and so. Not only you can customize the pages by using the Elementor page builder, but also you can customize the property template also. You can easily create your own property template, and after that you can use the template in your website for the property page. As you can see here, this theme offers 48 real estate widgets to design your property pages. This theme also provides you 40 real estate widgets for the Elementor pages for building a awesome real estate website. I'll teach you about almost all the widget functionality, so don't worry about that. Just watch the tutorial from starting to end without skipping. In the property page also you can introduce virtual tool, view statistic, welfare review, floor plans, and also you can schedule a showing or a meeting with the agent or agency by just a single click. This theme provides you almost 6 different kind of property cards for listing your properties in your website. Not only that, this theme also provides 9 kind of flexible advanced search form. By using this theme, you can create almost 30 different type of header style in your website. Now without wasting time, let me introduce with you with the demo website what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So in the top, as you can see, there are so many social media icons, and at the right hand side in the top here you can see the contact phone number and contact mail ID. After that, here you can see the website logo with the main menu, and here also you can see the mobile number, and here is the my profile icon. When you click on that, this much option will display here, and after that here you can see the theme slider. That is actually the theme slider. I'll teach you how to design this awesome slider. After that, here you can see a advanced search form that contain various type of properties like property for rent, property for sale, various categories like apartment, condos. So many options is available here. Even you can choose the city, country, number of the bedroom, number of the bathroom, and the price range also. After that, here you can see the property listing for the rent, and that is a slider. Next, here you can see the different kind of property categories like apartment, condos, duplex, and so and so. After that, here you can see the property listing for the sales, that is also a carousel. Next, here you can see some feature properties. If you want to highlight a property or if you want to promote a property, you can easily do that by using this session. This really awesome feature. And after that, property by area. Here you can displaying the most important cities like Hyderabad, Dhaka, Kolkata. As you can see here, suppose I am clicking on the Hyderabad, so all the property belongs to the Hyderabad is displaying now. Now let me again come back to the home page. So after that, here you can see a tab that contains studio apartment, apartment class B, apartment class C, and penthouse. Next, here you can see some brand carousel. That is a carousel actually, as you can see here. And after that, that is a testimonial session, and after that, here you can see the agent session. You can tell this as a team session also. Next, here you can see a beautiful inquiry form, and last here you can see a beautiful footer that contain the contact information, so many social media icons with some important property categories latest property post. Downside at the last, here you can see the copyright tagline, and here you can see the footer menu. Here you can see a pop-up option for the contact, and after that here you can see the back to top icon. Now let me come back to the about us page. So in the about us page, here you can see in the top there is a beautiful header. Here you can see the breadcrumbs, and after that here you can see some text area or text boxes. Again here you can see the our team session or our agent session, whatever. Again the testimonial session. Here is some toggle, and here you can see some achievements. These are all the counters actually. Next again you can see the inquiry form. Now let me come back to the property list page. In the property list page, in the top here you can see a dynamic map. Even you can see the property rate also, like 2M means 2 million. When you click on that, the property belongs to that will display here. If I click on that, then details property page will open. After that, in the down here you can see so many filters like property type, category, states, and so and so. And here you can see all the property listing. Even you can change the property listing type as a list view or a grid view. It's up to you. If I click on a single property, the property detail will open. You can create various kind of headers. As you can see in this property, header is looking like that. But if I come back to the different property, suppose I am opening this one. See, the property header is totally different here. The advanced search option in the property page, that is totally optional. Next, here you can see the main categories like rental, houses. After that, here you can see the property title. After the property address. After that, here you can see the property rate. That is a rental property, so it's showing that 15,000 per month. Next, here you can see some share icon, add to favorite icon, and print icon. Here you can see the property images, and at the right hand side here you can see the publisher name like Send Creation. By clicking in this schedule a show option, you can schedule a meeting with the agent or agency, and there is a contact form also. After that, here you can see the property overview. It's showing the property last updated date with the property features like it has 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1 garage, property total area, year of build, and so and so. Next, here you can see the property description. After that, here you can see the property power rating. Next, property address. By clicking in this, open this in Google Map. It will open the property location in the Google Map. And here you can see the property details like property ID, room. So many options is available here. After that, here you can see some property features like what is available and what is not available. You can see here like pool, Wi-Fi, elevator, so and so option is there. And here you can see the property exact location. Next, here you can see the payment calculator. After the floor plans, property statistic, and here you can see the agent information also. And downside here you can see a property review session. So now let me come back to the blog page. So in the blog page here you can see a beautiful header. After the advanced search bar, so many blog posts are showing here. Let me click on a single blog. So the detail of the blog will open, and that will look like that. Now let me come back to the developer option. So in the developer page, here you can see all the developers list. Similarly, in the agency page, you can see all the agency list. Even in the agent list also, you can see all the agent list. In the contact us option or in the contact us page, at the top here you can see the exact office location with the contact information, opening hour information. Next, here you can see the contact details with the address. After a contact form also displaying here. So now let me start to building the website. Before that, I have a humble request. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. And for creating this website, here I am not going to use any real domain or hosting account because it's just a dummy website. So here I am going to use localhost. For that, you have to download a local server, which is XAMPP. For that, you have to Google XAMPP, and after that you have to click on this link www.apachefriends.org. Click on that. This page will open. From there you have to click on the download option. So if you are a Windows user, then you have to download this latest version. I mean this 8.1.5, this one. Next, if you are Linux user, then you can go for this, and if you are a Mac user, then you can try this one. So once you download and install the XAMPP, you have to search for the XAMPP control panel. I mean this option. Once you open, this kind of control panel will open. From there you have to click on the start option for the Apache, and after that you have to click on the start option for the MySQL. Next, you have to open a new tab and you have to type localhost. Next, click in the enter option. This window will open. From there you have to click in the PPHPyadmin. Next, you have to click in the add new option for adding a new database. I am giving the name as WP-RES1. You can give any name. WP-RES1 means WP Residence 1 actually, and that is the case sensitive. So next, what you have to do, you have to click in the create option. So my database is now created. Now just pause the video and go to the video description. There I will give a download link. By clicking on that link, you can get the theme file, all the required plugins and all the images whatever I use in this tutorial. I give the theme file that is GPL licensed and I give that only for the practice purpose. Once you download all of them, it will look like that. So here you can see all the images what I am going to use in this website, and after that here you can see all the plugins what I am going to use in this website, and that is the theme file. Try to use this theme file only in the localhost. Next what you have to do, open another tab and you have to type wordpress.org for downloading the WordPress. This window will open. From there you have to click in the get WordPress option. Next scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the download WordPress option is displaying. Just click on that. So as you can see here, my download already started. As you can see here, my download already finished. Now you have to open your file explorer. I installed the XAMPP in the C drive. So I have to open the C drive, and from there I have to open XAMPP. From there you have to open htdocs, this one. Now what you have to do, just drag and drop this WordPress folder inside the htdocs like that. Once it get copied, just close this one. Again open the file explorer. So here is the file. I am renaming it. I am giving the name as wpres1. Next I have to open that. Here you can see the WP content. Now you have to open the folder which link I already given in the video description. So that is the folder. So now what I have to do, here you can see in the WP content there is a theme file. Open that. By default there will be total 3 themes. If you want you can delete them also. It will make your website light. Now you have to open this zip file. Next just drag and drop this theme file here like that. Once done, just close that, and after that you have to open the plugins. In the WP content also you have to open plugins. Now select all the plugin here, copy them and delete everything whatever present here in the WP content, and after that you have to paste it. It will take some time to copy all the plugins, so wait for that. When copying is progressing, you can open another tab in your web browser and you have to type localhost / that file directory name, means wpres1. Next you have to press the enter key. This window will open. So from there you have to choose your preferred language, and after that you have to click in the continue option. Next you have to click in the let's go. Now it asking the database name. As you can see, that is my database name, I mean wpres1. So here you have to enter that database name, and username that will be root. Password I does not required. Next you have to click in the submit option. Again I have to click in the run the installation. After that you have to give the site title. After that you have to give the username and password. Here that is a dummy website, so I am giving the username and password as admin and admin, but I will highly recommend that you use a strong username and password. Next you have to click in this confirm password, and after that you have to enter your email ID. Once done you have to click in the install WordPress option. Again I have to click in the login option. After entering user ID and password, I have to click in the login option again. Next I have to click in the appearance. So here you can see the WP Residence theme. Just click in the activate option. Next no need to do anything here. We can directly come back to the plugins. Click on that, and from here I have to choose activate. Click in the apply. So as you can see here, my all the plugin already get activated. Now some update is coming. So again select everything, and what you have to do, you have to select enable auto update, and again after that you have to click in the apply option. Now in the top one error is coming to saying that you have to increase the memory limit. By default it is 40 MB, but it should be like 96 MB or more. So for that open the file explorer, come to the C drive. From there open the XAMPP, after the htdocs, and that is the folder, I mean this wpres1. Here you can see wp config. Open that, and here you have to add one line, that is define in bracket in underscore wp underscore memory underscore limit. After that close the underscore, after that a comma, and after that I am writing 256. That is the code. Okay, so you have to write that. Next click in the file and click in the save. Now close it. Now just refresh the page once here. So once you refresh the page, here you can see that error gone. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now let me tell you how to import the demo. In this tutorial I am not going to import any demo. I am going to build the website from scratch. But let me tell you how to import the demo. So for that, here you can see the WP Residence option. Here you can see the import demo. You have to click on that. This page will open. So here you can see all the demo template. Whatever the template you want to import, hover on that, and here you can see import demo option. You have to click on that. Next what you have to do, this page will open. So from there you have to click in this continue and import option. I'm not going to import anything, so I'm coming back to dashboard again. When you're installing the theme successfully and activating all the plugin, by default so many pages will created, as you can see here. So from there, here you can see one sample page is there. You have to delete this one. By clicking the trash option, you can delete that. Next, I have to set up the theme. So for that, hover on that and click in the general option. Before that, let me upload all the images. So for that, you have to click in the media option. Now open the folder which link I already given in the video description. So from there, you have to open the images folder, select all the images by pressing Ctrl and A key, and drag and drop all the images here like that. It will take some time to upload all the images, so wait for that. As you can see here, all the images already uploaded. Now hover on the WP resident option and click in the general. Now click in the general setting, and from the country I have to select India because I am from India. Next, measurement unit I am selecting, that should be square feet. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is, and the language I am choosing English UK. Next, come back to the user role settings, make it yes, and from here I am selecting all. By pressing the Ctrl key you can select everything. Even here also one by one, let me select all the thing. Here no need to choose anything, and here make it yes, this also make it yes. After that, click in the save changes. Now come back to the appearance. In the appearance, here wide or boxes, make it wide. Next, property listing per list page, make it 10. Next one, make it 25. Remaining I am keeping here as it is. In the next option, click in this logo and fab icon. So now let me upload the fab icon. First of all, click on the upload. I already upload all the media in the media library. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image as fab icon, click in the select. Next, logo, click in the upload option, that is my logo, click in the select. Next, the sticky logo, let me upload the same logo as sticky logo also, click in the select option. Next, that is the transparent header logo. So in the transparent header logo, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select. After that, mobile logo, let me select this one, click in the select option. Scroll down, click in the save changes. Now let me click in the header. So top bar, if you want to show the top bar, you have to make it yes, else keep it no only. So the login menu, yes, make it on. After that, here I have to enter the phone number. Next, keep it yes, this also, even this also, keep it yes. Make it type 1, and this one make it center. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. After that, I have to click in the save changes. Now let me click in the footer. Here make it yes, this also yes. In the copyright, let me write this one. And after that, remaining here I am keeping as it is. Here make it no repeat. And the footer type, make it this one, 3 column, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Wide footer, make it no. Next, click in the price and the currency. So in the price 1000 threshold, give comma sign, and after that currency symbol, that should be INR symbol, means rupees symbol, and the currency level, that should be in capital INR, and that should be before, make it no, this also no. Remaining keep as it is. Just click in the save changes. Next, click in the custom fields. So I need couple of the custom field, let me add one by one. So for the first one, that will be MSL, and the field label, that will be customer ID, keep it short text only, and field order I am making it 1. Click in the click to add field. For the second one, that will be field name will be property garage, field label I am keeping as garage, I am making it short text only, and the order of listing, that will be 2. Click in the click to add field. Next, I have to add the next one, that will be property year. In the field label I have to write year built. Field order I am making it 2 also, and here that should be numeric. Click in the click to add field. For the next one, that will be property garage size, field label will be garage size, and here that will be short text, and the order I am making it 3. Click in the click to add field. Next one will be property date, and here that will be available from the drop down I have to select date, and the order I am making it 4. Click in the click to add field. Next one, that will be property basement, field label I am adding at basement, field type make it short text, the order will be 5. Click in the click to add field. For the next one, that will be field name property external construction, field label will be extra details, and the order I am making it 6. Click in the add option. For the next one, that will be property roofing, and the label I am writing as roofing, the order make it 7. Click in the add option. For the next option, that will be exterior material, even in the field label also I am writing the same exterior material, and the order I am making it 7 also. click in the add option. The next one will be structure type. In the field label also I am mentioning the same, and from this drop down let me select the drop down, and the drop down value that will be brick, wood and cement. All the value I have to separated by the comma as it mentioned here. Next, the listing order I am making it 8. Click in the add to menu, and the last one that will be storage number, and that will be field label. The field label will be floor number. This also should be drop down. The order label that will be 9, and the drop down value let me make it 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Click in the add to field, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next, the feature and amenities, make it no. Next will be listing label. These two first of all not needed, and I have to add the property label that will be address. Next will be feature. This one will be the description. That one will be the detail, and this video and property review. Click in the save changes. The theme slider. So in the theme slider here choose the type 1, and the slider duration make it 8000, and the height in pixel I am putting around 800. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Property and agent link, that's not required. Splash page, let me design the splash page also. Make it image. Click in the flash upload image. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the select. After that overlay color make it black. The opacity make it 0.4, and splash page title, find your home. After that subtitle will be this. Click in the save option. After that click in the social and contacts, image for the contact page. Image for the contact page means actually it asking this image. Click in the upload option. So that is the image what I needed. Click in the select option. After that company name, that will be Web SEO Tips. Next I have to enter my email ID. After that I have to enter my alternate email ID. Next I need the telephone number. After that I have to enter the mobile number. Fax I don't need. Skype ID. Company address, let me enter a dummy address. Next, opening hour 1. Here I am writing Monday to Friday. Here I am mentioning the timing. Here I am writing Saturday, and the Saturday time I have to mention next line. Next, that will be the Sunday, and Sunday it will be closed. And here I have to mention the contact page latitude and longitude. I mean, as you can see here, there is a map actually, and for this pin actually I have to mention exact latitude and longitude. So for that let me open the Google map first of all. Suppose that is my location. You have to select the exact location. Next you have to right click on that, and here you can see the latitude and longitude. So come back here. So first of all here you have to mention the latitude, and that will be the longitude. So here I have to mention that. Next you have to click in the save changes. So it's done here. Next I have to add all the social accounts. Here that is a dummy website, so I am giving the hash sign, but for you have to mention the original links. Social login, if you want to enable you can make it on, but here I am making it disable only. Contact Pub 7 setting, use GDPR checkboxes. No, I not needed. Even this one also not needed. Directly come back to the map. So you want Google Map or OpenStreetMap? I want OpenStreetMap. Suppose if you have Google Map API, then you can use the Google Maps. Else I'll suggest open this one. It's very simple. OpenStreet. This one make it 40, and here again I have to mention the latitude and longitude. I am making it roadmap, making it no, and here maximum zoom level I am making it 10. That one I am making it 5000. This one, the height I am making it 400, and the height of the Google Maps when it open, let me make it 450. Remaining I am making it no. Next I have to click in the save changes. Next, pin management. Pin management session actually I cover. So when I add all the product category, after that I will do that. In the design, directly come back here. Here keep everything as it is, no need to change anything. The slider type here make it header missionary gallery. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. This one make it yes. Let me enable this one also. Remaining I am keeping as it is. After that I have to click in the save changes. After that directly come back to the custom color setting. Here you can see the link color, just make it black color. Remaining keep as it is, click in the save changes. After that come back to the header design and colors. If you enable the top bar, for that let me make some settings. The background color I am making it black, and the front color I am making it white. Remaining here I am keeping everything as it is. Just scroll down little bit, just make it 3. Scroll down and click in the save changes. After that come back to the property agent blog list design. Here let me make it 3 3 3. Remaining I am keeping as it is. So now I have to create the agents, but before that I have to create the agent parameter like agent category, agent action category, all the things. So first of all let me click in the agent categories. The first category I am adding as commercial. After that I have to click in the add new agent category. Next category will be consultancy. Again I have to click in the add new agent category, and the last category I am adding as residential. Next I have to add some agent action category. The first action category I am adding as action. Click in the add new agent action. Next one will be the commercial. Again I have to click in the add new agent action. Next will be the complete service, and after that the last one I am adding as foreclosures. So after that I have to add the agent city. So for that I have to click in the agent city option. The first one I am adding as Delhi, next one is Dhaka, next Hyderabad, after that Kolkata. So after that I have to add agent neighborhood. So click on the agent neighborhood. The first one I am adding as India, another one adding as Bangladesh. Next I have to add the agent country / state. So here also I am adding Bangladesh and India. So now I have to add some agent. For adding the agent I have to click in the agents option. For adding the agent, first of all I have to click in the add new agent option. After that I have to add the agent name. Next I have to add the agent description, and here I have to add the agent category, commercial or residential. Suppose that is commercial. And agent action category, here also I am choosing commercial. If you want you can choose multiple category also, it's up to you. Next agent city, suppose from Kolkata. Agent neighborhood, Kolkata belongs to India, so I have to choose India. Here also India. Next I have to add the feature image for the agent, so I have to click in this. Suppose from media library I am choosing this image as agent image. Next I have to click in the set feature image. Now here I have to add the agent first name. So agent first name, that will be John. After that will be the agent last name. So here I have to write the agent last name. Position company agent. Next I have to mention the email ID. After that I have to mention the phone number. Next I have to mention the mobile number. Next I have to mention Skype ID. Member of, it's not mandatory option. I have to add the Facebook ID, Twitter ID, LinkedIn ID. I am giving the hash sign because it's a dummy project, but you have to mention the original. Instagram ID also I have to mention, and after that website, and here I have to mention the user ID. Suppose I am giving 1200. Next no need to do anything, just scroll up and click in the publish option. For adding another agent, again I have to click in the add new agent. Again I am giving the agent name as Lara Black. After that I have to write the description about the agent. Next agent category, suppose I am choosing residential. That complete service, country belongs to Dhaka, and here I am choosing Bangladesh, and here I am choosing the feature image as this image. Click in the set feature image. After that here I have to mention the first name of the agent. Here I have to mention the last name. Here I have to mention the position. Next I have to mention the email ID, phone number, mobile number, Skype ID. Again I have to mention the Facebook link, Twitter link, LinkedIn link, Pinterest link, Instagram link, website, and here I have to mention the user ID. Suppose I am giving 1201. Next I am clicking in the publish option. So in the same manner let me add some more agent, and after that I will come back. So as you can see here I already add so many agents. Now I have to add the agency category. So for that hover on the agency and click in the agency categories. The first agency category I am adding as auction. Click in the add new agency category. Next one will be the commercial properties. Again click in the add new. After that residential properties. Again click in the add new, and the last one will be short term lease. Click in the add new option. After that I have to add some agency action categories. The first one will be the real estate brokers. Click in the add new option, and last one will be real estate consultant. Click in the add new option. Next I have to add the agency city. So here I am adding Delhi. Click in the add option. Next one Hyderabad. Click in the add, and the last one I am adding as Kolkata. Click in the add option. Next agency neighborhoods, that also will be India, and the last one will be Bangladesh. The country also same thing. First one will be India, and the last one will be Bangladesh. Click in the add new option. So next I have to add the agency. For that I have to click in the add new agency. I am giving the agency name as Sen Creation. After that I have to add some description. Next agency category, suppose that will be the commercial properties, and that will be the real estate broker. I am choosing Kolkata, India, that also will be India. In the feature image, click in the set feature image. I am choosing this one, Sen Creation. Click in the set feature image. After that here I have to give the map location, so that is in Kolkata. Suppose that is the location. I am entering in a dummy location, but you have to enter the exact location in the map. Now scroll up and here I have to enter the address also. After that I have to give the mail ID. Here I have to mention the phone number. After mobile number, next I have to mention the Skype ID, Facebook ID, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram ID. Next here I have to mention the website for the agency in comfortable in which language. Here I have to mention by separated by comma. Next here I have to enter the license number of the agency. Here I have to mention the opening hour, tax percent, and the user ID. Once done, just scroll up and click in the publish option. For adding the new agency, again I have to click in the add new agency option. After that I have to give the agency name, agency description, and here I have to choose the agency type, agency category, agency action category, agency location, agency country, neighborhood. Next I have to upload the feature image of the agency also. Click in the set feature image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this one, click in the set feature image. Next I have to enter the address, email ID, phone number, Skype ID, Facebook link, Twitter link, LinkedIn link, Pinterest link, Instagram link, website URL, comfortable language, license number, operating hour, taxes, and user ID. Next I have to put the exact location of the agency. So it belongs to the Hyderabad. So suppose that is the location. I am choosing any random location only. Scroll up and click in the publish option. So in the similar manner, let me add all the agencies. So as you can see here, I already create all the agency. Now I have to create the developer. Before creating the developer, I have to create developer categories. So for that I have to click in the developer categories. The first one will be ongoing projects. Next one will be ready to occupy. Last one will be sold out projects. Next I have to add some developer action categories. So for that I have to click on the developer action categories. The first one I am adding as office rentals. Click in the add new option, and the next one will be residential sales. Again I have to click in the add new option. Next I have to add the developer city. So for that I have to click on the developer city. The first one I am adding as Delhi. Next one will be Hyderabad, and the last one that will be Kolkata. In the developer neighborhood, here I am adding only one country, that is India, and next the developer country / stat. Here also I am adding India only. So next I have to add the developers. So for that I have to click in the add new developer. I am giving the developer name first of all, description about the developer. Next developer category, you can select single category, else you can select the multiple categories also, it's up to you. After the action category, next location, country, developer neighborhood, I am both choosing as India. Now I have to upload the feature image also. Click in the set feature image. Suppose I am taking this one, click in the set feature image. Now here I have to enter the address properly. Next I have to enter the mail ID. After that I have to enter the phone number. Next I have to write the mobile number. After that I have to write the Skype ID, Facebook link, Twitter link, LinkedIn link, Pinterest link, Instagram link, website URL, license number, taxes, and user ID. Scroll up, click in the publish option. So in similar manner, let me add all the developer. I forgot one thing. I have to set up the exact location in the map also. So it's belong to the Kolkata. So I have to choose the location from the Kolkata. So just zoom the Kolkata a little bit in the map. Suppose that is my location. And after that again I have to click in the update option. For adding the new developer, again I have to click in the add new developer. And again I have to follow the similar process. So let me add some more developer, and after that I will come back. So as you can see here, I already added so many developer. So after that I have to add the properties. But before adding the properties, I have to create the properties category. So for that, hover on the properties and click in the category. So next I have to add the properties. So before that I have to add the property category. Hover on the properties and click in the categories. The first one will be apartments. So here I have to mention apartments. I have to upload a feature image for that. So I have to click in this upload image option. From there I have to click in the media library. In the media library, let me search for the apartment, because I already add the image name as apartment. So here you can see the apartment cat. Click in the insert into the post. Next I have to click in the add new property category. The next category, that will be condoms. Again I have to click in the upload images. Click in the media library, search for the condos, click in the search media. This image is coming because I give the name like condos cat, means condos category, and upload in the media library. If you do not add the proper name, then it will not come. Then you have to add them manually. Next I am clicking in the insert into the post. After that I have to click in the add new property category. Let me add all the category one by one. So I add all the categories. Now I have to add the property type. So for that I have to click on the type. The first type I am adding as foreclosure. Click in the add new item. Next will be rental. Click in the add new type, and next one will be the sale. click in the add new. Next I have to add the city. So for that I have to click in the city option. The city I am adding Delhi. Next I have to upload the image. Click in the upload image option. Click in the media library. I am taking this image as Delhi. Click in the show option, and after that I have to click in the insert into the post. Next I have to click in the add new city. Next one will be Dhaka. Again I have to click in the upload image. Click in the media library. Let me search the image name as Dhaka, because I upload the image name as Dhaka only. As you can see here, it's come. Click in the insert into the post. Next I have to click in the add new city. After that, next one will be the Hyderabad. Click in the upload image, and from the media library, let me search the image name as Hyderabad. So it's come here. Click in the insert into the post. Next I have to click in the add new city, and the last city I'm adding name as Kolkata. Again I have to click in the upload image, and from the media library, let me search for the image name as Kolkata. So it's come here. Click in the insert into the post. Next one, the neighborhood. So in the neighborhood I am adding Bangladesh. Click in the add new neighborhood, and the last one I am adding as India. Click in the add new neighborhood. Next click in the country/state. Here also I have to upload the same Bangladesh, and next one will be the India. Once we add the country, come back to the city option. So click in the city, and here you can see the Delhi, that is belongs to India. So select India, and after that I have to click in the update option. Click in the go to categories. Now click in the Dhaka. Click in the edit option. So Dhaka is belong to the Bangladesh. Click in the update. Next Hyderabad. Hyderabad belongs to India. Click to update option. Click in the go to categories. Even when you adding the city, like I am adding Kolkata, so from here directly in the country you can select India, and after that you can easily upload the image. Suppose I am uploading the image name as Kolkata. Just search for the media. So it's come here. Click in the insert into the post, and after that I can easily click in the add new city. So next I have to add the features and amenities. The first feature I am adding as attic. Click in the upload SVG. Come back to the media library. I already add a SVG name as attic. Click in the search media. So it's come here. Just click in the insert into the post. Next I have to click in the add new feature. The next one, that will be backyard. Click in the upload SVG, and in the media library, let me search for the backyard. Click in the search media. Scroll down, click in the insert into the post. After that I have to click in the add new feature. Let me add all the feature one by one, and after that I'll come back. Once you add all the features and amenities, after that I have to add property status. So for that I have to click in the property status. The first property status, that will be hot offer. Click in the add new. Next one will be the new offer. Next one will be the open house, and the last one, that will be sold. Click in the add new. So now I have to create the properties. So for that I have to click in this add new property. At first I'll tell you how to create a rental property, and after that I'll tell you how to create a property for sale. So in the starting I have to give the property title or property name. Next I have to give the property description. After that I have to choose the property category. So that is villa. So here I am choosing villa. Next, here you can see the property for sale, rental or foreclose. So that property belongs to the rental. So I am choosing rental. Next I have to choose the property city. So that is belong to the Hyderabad. And neighborhood, that will be India. Country also will be India. Next, what the feature is available in the property I have to select. Suppose Wi-Fi, laundry, gym, gas seat, elevator. These options are available there. So I am choosing that. Now what will be the property status? Suppose that is a open house. Next I have to choose the feature image for the property. So for that I have to click in the set feature image. Suppose I am choosing this image from the media library as a feature image. After that I have to click in the set feature image. Next scroll up. So in the extra I am writing something. After that, property price. Suppose the property rental price is 50,000 per month. So here I am writing 50,000, and here I am writing per month. Next, property size. Suppose that is 450 square feet. So here I am writing 450. Lot size. Suppose that is 500 square feet. Number of room available. Suppose that is 2. Number of bedroom. Suppose that is 3. And number of the bathroom. Suppose that is also 3. Next, energy index. Suppose I am entering 750. And energy class, suppose that will be the D. Do you want to make the property as feature property? If yes, then you have to enable this option. And do you want to show this property in the theme slider? Then you have to enable this option. I forgot to choose the country, so here will be India. So next, come back to the property media. So here I have to upload the property related images. Click in the upload new image. Suppose I am choosing this image, this image, this image. By pressing Ctrl key at a time, you can select multiple images. Else one by one also you can select the images. Next, I have to click in the set image. After that, if any virtual 2D is available, then here you have to enter. And if any video is available, then you have to enter here. Let me add one of my own video link here because I don't have any property related video. Suppose I am copying this link of my own video and here I am pasting it. If you have any video placeholder image, then you can upload that. Click in the upload image, come back to the media library. Suppose I am choosing this image, click in the show, and after that I have to click in the insert. I don't have any virtual tour code, so I am leaving this as it is. After that, come back to the property custom fields. So here first of all I have to enter the property ID. After that, how many garages is available? Suppose 1. Year of build, suppose that is 2015. Garage size, suppose I am writing 3 car. Next, if the property is already available, then no need to choose anything. If you think the property is available after certain date, then you can choose the date here. Suppose the property is available from the May 2022 and date will be 19. So I am choosing like that. After that, basement size. So here I am writing full basement. Extra details, if you have any extra detail like the property is made by brick or cement, whatever, you can write that. Next, roofing. So here I am writing new. You can write designing roofing, anything, or cardboard roofing. It's up to you. After that, exterior material. Suppose that is made by the brick or wood. So I am choosing anything. And structure type. So that is a wooden structure. So I am choosing wood here. After that, floor number. Suppose total floor number is 1. So here I am writing 1. Next, come back to the address and map location. So there is 2 options available. If you know the latitude and longitude, then directly enter the latitude and longitude. No need to choose the exact location here. Else you can do one thing. If you know the exact map location, then suppose that is my exact location. So here I am choosing that. It will automatically fill the latitude and longitude. After that, address. Suppose the address is Hayatnagar, Hyderabad. Zip code, suppose 500036. Country belongs to India. And zoom level for the map, suppose I am choosing 14. If you enable Google Map Street View, then you can enable that. It's up to you. And here you can enter the Google View camera angle. I am leaving it empty only. Next, scroll up and click in the agent. So who is your main agent? Suppose I am giving that Victoria Homes. And who is the secondary agent? Suppose I am choosing Manoj Das. Next, floor plans. So if you want to enter the floor plans or if you want to enable the floor plans, then first of all you have to enable this one. Next, I have to click in the add new plan. Suppose in the title I am writing floor plan A. I am adding some dummy text as a description. After that, floor plan size. Suppose that is 300 square feet. In the plan, number of the room available is 1. Number of the bathroom available 2. After that, the plan price, if you want to enter, you can enter. It's up to you. That is also optional. Suppose if you want to enter the plan image, then you have to click in the upload image. So I already upload the floor plan image in the media library, so I am selecting in the media library, and from there let me search for the image. Suppose that is my floor plan. Click in the show, and after that click in the insert into the post. If you have more than one floor plan, then again you have to click in the add new plan. Suppose the plan title is floor plan B. Here let me add some dummy text as a description, and plan size, suppose that is 400 square feet. Number of the room available, suppose that is 3. Number of the bathroom, suppose that is 2. Plan price, I am leaving it empty. And plan image, click in the upload image. Let me search for the image. Click in the media library first of all. So suppose that is the image what I want to enter here. Click in the show, and after that scroll down and click in the insert into the post. So this image get inserted. So it's done here. After the paid submission and property subunits, that's not required. Leave them as it is. So I think I complete everything here. Now just scroll up and you have to click in the publish option. If you want, after publishing, you can check the preview also. So for that you can click in the preview changes. So as you can see here, my property is looking like that. Suppose in the property you does not want to display this advanced search bar. So what you have to do, come back to the property, scroll down. So here you can see the advanced search. Make it no. Here also make it no. Now if I click in the update option and check the preview, okay, till it's showing. So you can do one thing, click in this WP residence option. Now from there you have to click in this search option, and here you can see show advanced search in property page. Make it no, and click in the save changes. Now let me check the preview. So as you can see, it's not coming now. And if you want, you can change the header style also. As you can see here, at present my header is coming like that. Suppose I want to change the layout little bit. So for that I have to come to the WP Residence option. From that I have to click in the design, and after that I have to come to the property page setting. Here you can see the slider type. Suppose I am choosing multi-image slider. Let me click in the save changes. Now let me come here and refresh the page. So now you can see it's coming like that. This also looking very cool. So now let me come back here. So now let me teach you how to create a property for the cell. Now for adding a new property, I have to click in this option, add new property, else you can click in this option also, add new property here also. It's up to you. So I'm clicking here, add new property. Next, here I have to enter the property title. Next I have to enter the property description. If you want to enter the property extract, you can enter that also, it's up to you. Now from here you have to choose the property type. Suppose that is duplex. Even you can choose the house also. Next, scroll down, the property type, that is for cell. City, suppose that is belongs to the Dhaka, and the country, that will be Bangladesh. Here also Bangladesh, and whatever the feature is available you can choose here. Suppose this much feature is available. Next, scroll down, suppose property status, that is a hot offer, and I have to upload the featured image also. So click in the set feature image. Suppose I am choosing this image for the feature image. Click in the set feature image. Scroll up. Now property details. So in the property details, let me enter the rate here. After that, no need to enter anything here. Yearly taxes. Directly come back to the property size. That is 600 square feet. Lot size is suppose this also 600. It's up to you. I am entering all the value randomly actually. Room 4, bedroom also 4, bathroom 3. And energy rating suppose 750, and class will be D. If you want to make the property as feature property, then you have to enable this, and if you want to add this property in the theme slider, then you have to enable this. Next, come back to the property media. Let me upload some image which is related to this property. Suppose I am choosing this image, click in the set image. Again let me upload another image, click in the upload image. Suppose this time I am choosing this image, click in the set image. After that, come back to the property custom field. So here let me enter some random ID, garage 1. Next, year of build, that is 2002. Next, garage, yes, one garage it have, it's available already, so no need to enter the date. And basement, suppose full basement. Next, extra details I am not entering anything. Roofing, suppose that is designing roofing. Exterior material, that is brick. Next, structure type, that is also brick. And floor available, suppose total 2 floor is available. After that I have to enter the address. Let me open the Google map and let me teach you how to get the latitude and longitude. So for that, first of all I have to search for the Google map. Suppose that is the Google map. So that property belongs to the Bangladesh, so I have to come to the Bangladesh. Suppose my property belongs to here, so what I have to do, just right click here, and here you can see the latitude and longitude. Just copy it from here, come back here and paste the latitude and longitude here, and after that I have to click in this place pin with the property address. So as you can see, it automatically detects the location. So next I have to enter the address, and after the country will be Bangladesh. So here I have to search for the Bangladesh. This is the Bangladesh. Next, if you want to enable the Google Street View, you can enable that, it's up to you. Now come back to the agent. The main agent, suppose that will be the green relative, and the second agent, that will be Jackson. Now come back to the floor plan. If you want to add the floor plan, then you can add that, it's up to you. So it's done here. Now scroll up and click in the publish option. Now let me check the preview, how it's looking. Okay, so it's coming like that. So in the similar manner, let me add some more property, and after that I will come back. So as you can see here, I already created so many properties in different category. Now I have to create the home page. For creating a page, hover on the page and click in the add new option. I am giving the title of the page as home. After that, from the template, it should be default template. Now page setting, show title, make it no. After that, transparent header and top bar, make it yes. This also make it yes. Even this also make it yes. After that, advanced search, make it yes. This also make it yes, and here make it 80%. After that, select header type. I have to choose theme slider. Next, sidebar setting, make it none. After that, I have to click in the publish option. Once done, I have to click in this option, edit with Elementor. So as you can see here, the theme slider and the advanced search bar already come here. So next, I have to design this portion. listing available for the rent. So let's come back here, click in the plus option. I'm taking single row and single column. After that I'm clicking in this option. Now come back to the advanced option and here unlock the padding. Padding top I'm taking around 70 and padding bottom I'm taking around 50. After that again click in this option and here I need a inner section. Just drag and drop the inner section like that. Now here by default you can see there is 2 column, but I need total 3 column in a single row. So just I am duplicated it once. Now click in the first column and here I am making it 22. Even for the last column also I have to make it 22. Next here I need the header. So again click in this option and drag and drop the heading here. And my header text that will be this one, listing available for rent. So let's come back here and here I have to write listing available for rent. Make it center aligned. Come back to the style option and make it black color. Next again click in this option and here I now need a text editor. Just drag and drop the text editor downside of the heading and my text will be this one. So let's copy here and delete everything first of all. Next here I have to paste that. Next make it center aligned. So after that I need this property slider. So let's come back here and again take a inner section. Just drag and drop the inner section here like that. And here I need only single column, so I'm deleting once. And now here I have to search for the item slider. So here you can see the WP resident item slider. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now come back to the filter. Now in the action category choose rentals. So all the property belong to the rental category will display now. Click in the update option. Next I have to design this portion. So for that again come back here, click in the plus option, take single row and 2 column, enable the test session. Now come back to the style option, click on the classic, click in this and here I need this color. After that click in the first one and here I am making it 40. The another one automatically will be 60% as you can see here. So in the first one I need a title or heading and my heading will be this one. So copy it from here and here I have to write that. Come back to the style option. First of all I am making it black color. Next click in the typography option. In the typography suppose I am making it around 50 pixel. After that I need the text also. So copy it from here. So come back here, click in this and here I need a text editor. Just drag and drop it here like that and here I have to write that content. Next click in the style option, click in the typography and make it around 20. Okay, it's looking like that. If you want you can increase the line height also. So suppose I am taking 1.2, even 1.4 also okay I think. So after that I think I forgot one thing. Click in this edit session option. Come back to the layout. Here you can see the vertical aligned. I have to make it middle. So after that click in this plus option and here I have to search for the display category. So here you can see the WP resident display categories. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now here I have to add the categories. I am adding apartment, condos, duplex, house. I think 4 is enough. After that item per row, let me make it 3. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Another thing I have to do, click in the first column and come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. The padding right I have to take around 100 pixel. Next I forgot to add the padding also. So click in this edit session option, come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 70 and padding bottom I am taking around 50 pixel. So it's looking like that. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. I think it's not looking good. So you can do one thing, click in the first column and come back to the layout and here I have to make it 100 and come back to the advanced option. In the advanced option better to take 15 pixel from each side, even 20 pixel is also okay I think. So next what I have to do, click in this and here also I have to make it 100. So it will come like that. So next again let me switch back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to design this portion. This portion is quite similar to the first portion as you can see here. So you can do one thing, for the time saving purpose we can just copy it from here, right click on that and copy and come back here and here just paste that. So now at the place of the rent that will be sale. As you can see here, listing available for the sale. So let me copy the sale here and here I am writing sale. Remaining I am keeping as it is and now click in this, this item slider and come back to the filter. Here remove the rental and add the sales. So it's done here. So next I have to design this feature property session. So for that again come back here, click in the plus option, take single row and single column, enable the test session, come back to the style option. Here I have to add the background color. I am taking this color as background color. After that come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 70 pixel and padding bottom also I am taking around 50 pixel. So now we can do one thing, just copy this portion, this inner session, and we can paste it here. So it will come like that, and here my heading will be feature properties. So let's come back here, click in the heading, and here I have to write feature properties, and that will be my content. So copy it from here, come back here, and here I have to select all and paste the content. So it's done here. So now I need inner session, just drag and drop the inner session here like that. Now here I have to search for the feature property. So here you can see WP resident feature property, just drag and drop it here like that. At the same time, just open the dashboard in another tab, and from there I have to click in the properties. So whatever the property you want to add in the feature property, suppose this one I want to add. So copy the ID from here, come back here, and here I have to mention that ID. It's done here, and from here display type make it 3. Now just copy this one, and here I have to paste it. Next, suppose I want to display this ID, so just copy that ID. So come back here, and here I have to paste that ID. So next I have to design this advertisement session, that is also a kind of feature property. So you can come back here, click in the plus option, take single row and single column. After that make it full width, make it trace session, and column gap make it no gap. Now I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the feature property. Drag and drop the feature property here. Suppose I want this property, beautiful flat in Delhi. So the ID is 156, so here I have to mention that, and the design type make it 5. So it's done here. Next I have to design this property by area. So for that again I have to come back here, click in the plus option, take single row and single column. Again click in this and come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking around 70, and padding bottom also I am taking around 50 pixel. So next what I have to do, again just copy this session, this inner session. After copy, come back here, and here I have to paste that. Next here my title will be property by area. So come back here, and here I have to mention property by area, and my content will be this one. So let's come back here, click in this, click in the text, and select everything and paste it. So it's done here. Now again I have to add a inner session, and in that inner session I need only single column, so I'm deleting the first one. So now click in this inner session and come back to the advanced top margin, I'm taking around 30, and here I need the display category. So search for that. So here you can see the display category, just drag and drop it here like that. So from here one by one let me search Hyderabad. After that I have to search for the Kolkata. Next I have to search for the Dhaka. After that let me search for the Delhi. So that is the Delhi. Item per row make it 4. So now I have to design this tab session, but before that here you can see there is a little gray color background is there. So you can do easily, click in this, come back to the layout, make it trace session, and after that click in the style option, click in the classic, and from here I am choosing very light gray color background. I think that's quite perfect. So next click in the plus option, take single row and single column. Now again I have to copy this one, so I'm copying it from here and come back here, and here I have to paste it. I forgot one thing, I have to mention the padding. So come back in the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking around 70, and padding bottom I am taking around 50. So next what I have to do, drag and drop the inner session here, and let me change the text also. So the text will be best of plan project. So let's come here, click in this, and here that will be the title, and that will be the subtitle also. So copy it, come back here, and here I have to mention it, and here I need single column, so I am deleting the first one. Next click in this, click in the advanced option, margin top I am taking around 20 pixel. So after that I have to design this tab, but before that I have to create some Elementor template. So creating the Elementor template is quite easy. You have to come back to the dashboard, and from here you have to click in the templates. Now here I have to click in the add new. From the select option let me choose the session, and the template name I am giving as tab 1. Click in the create template option. So here click in the plus option, take single row and 2 column. Next what I have to do, here I need the heading, and my heading text will be studio apartment. So let's come back here, and here I have to write the studio apartment. Come back to the style option and make it black color. After that I need the text editor, so drag and drop the text editor downside of the heading, and my text editor content will be this one. So copy it from here, come back here, and here I have to write that. After that what I have to do, I have to search for the list item. So let me search for the list item, this one, drag and drop it downside and delete the last two, keep the first one, and here I have to mention floor first. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention floor first. If you want you can make it bold by giving that in the B tag. So before and after the floor, here will be the B tag, like that. Now let's duplicate it. Now click in the second one. In the second one, that will be the bedroom at the place of the floor. So here I have to mention bedroom, and bedroom will be total 3. Next, bathroom. Just copy the bathroom from here, and here I have to duplicate it, and here I have to mention bathroom, and here I am making it suppose 2. Again I have to copy it, and for the last one, here that will be the size. So here I have to mention size, and here I have to write like 800 square feet. Next I have to click in the plus option here, and here I need an image. Drag and drop the image here and click in the image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media. Next what I have to do, click in this, and here in the layout option, here you can see the vertical aligned, just make it middle. Now you have to click in the publish option. So once done, you have to click in this, click in the exit to dashboard, click in the add new. The title I am giving as tab 2. After that I have to click in this edit with Elementor option. So next I have to click in this template option. After that I have to click in the my template. So in the my template, as you can see here, tab 1 already present. Click in the insert option and click in the don't apply, and here my title will be this one, apartment class B. So copy it from here. So here I have to write that. Remaining content I am keeping as it is because it's a dummy website only. Let me change the image. Suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media. After that click in the publish option. Once published, I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the exit to dashboard. Next I have to click in the add new option, and here the title I am giving as tab 3. Next I have to click in the publish option. Next I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. Again scroll down, click in the template option. After that I have to click in the my template option, and from there you can choose either any one. Suppose I am choosing tab 1, click in the insert option, click in the don't apply, and here my title will be apartment class C. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention apartment class C. Let me change the image also. So suppose from the media library I am choosing this image, click in the insert media option, and after that I have to click in the update option. Next, once it updated, I have to make the last one. So again click in the exit to dashboard, and after that again I have to click in the add new option, and now I am giving the title as tab 4. Next I have to click in the edit with Elementor option, and at that my title will be penthouse. So copy it from here, come back here. So here click in this, click in the my template, and after that click in the insert option, click in the don't apply, and here my title will be penthouse. Let me change the image also. So from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. So it's done here, click in the publish option. Now let's come back here. I think I have to update and refresh the page once. Next just scroll down, and here click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the tab. So as you can see here, WP residence tab, just drag and drop it here like that. Click in the first one, that will be the studio apartment. So here I have to write the studio apartment, click in the icon, and from the media library, suppose I am choosing this image as icon, click in the insert media. After that I does not need any description, so I am deleting it, and from the template suppose I am choosing the tab 1. Next let me delete this and copy this one, total 4, and click in the second one, and for the second one my title will be apartment class B, and from this drop down I am choosing tab 2. Now for the third one my title will be this, and from this drop down I am choosing tab 3, and for the last one my title will be penthouse, and from this drop down I am choosing tab 4. So it's done here. Now come back to the style option, and here I have to choose the orange color. I think this is quite good. Next click in the update option. So after that I have to design this one, this brand carousel slider. It's quite easy. Just come back here, click in the plus option, take single row and single column, click in this, click in the stretch section. After that click in the style option. I think I need a light gray color background. I think that is quite perfect. Next I have to copy this inner section. So next I have to paste it here, and after that will be my title. So here I have to write it, and after that will be my subtitle. So here will be the subtitle. Next I need the image slider. So for that, first of all what I have to do, drag and drop the inner section here like that, and I need only single column, so I am deleting the first one and click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the image carousel. That is the image carousel. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now I have to add all the images. So click in this, And from the media library, let me choose all the images one by one. Next I have to click in the create a new gallery. After that again I have to click in the insert gallery. So it's coming like that, and from here you can choose the number of the items should be view in the desktop. After that from here only you can choose the how many number of the items should display in the tablet. Suppose I am making it 3, and for the mobile I think 1 is quite perfect. After that click in the additional option. Here you can see the autoplay, that should be yes. I am decreasing the autoplay speed, I am making it 8000. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Click in the update option and let me switch back to the desktop preview. So next I have to design this testimonial portion. So you can come back here, click in the plus option, take single row and single column, click in this, make it stretch session, and after that come back to the style option, click in this, and I need this color. So after that I have to copy this one, I mean this inner session, and here I have to paste it, and here my title will be testimonial, and here the content I am keeping as it is. After that I need single row and 3 column. So here let me take a inner session, and after that I have to duplicate one because by default there are 2 column, so I have to duplicate one. So now here you can see there are total 3 column. I need some margin top, so click in this and click to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 30. So next click in this, and here I have to search for the testimonial. So as you can see here, WP resident testimonial, just drag and drop it here like that. So here I have to name the client name, after that title client. Next I have to upload the image also, click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert. Next here I have to write the description, testimonial type I am choosing 4, and star rating I am giving 5 star. So it's done here. Now just copy this one, and after that here I have to paste it, and even here also I have to paste it. So now click in the second one, let me change the name. Now let me change the title client also. After that I have to change the image. Suppose from the media library I am choosing this image, click in the insert media. After that if you want you can change the content also, but I am keeping as it is. The star rating I am making it 4. Now for the last one, click in this, and here the title will be this title client, that will be the developer, and here the rating I am making it 4.5. so it will come like that. I forgot to change the image, so I have to change the image also. From the media library suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media. So next I have to design this team session. So you can come back here, and here I think I forgot one thing, I have to give the padding top and down. Click in the advanced, click in this, and padding top I am taking around 50 pixel, and padding bottom I am taking around 70 pixel. So next again click in the plus option, take single row and single column. So again I have to copy this inner session, so I am copying that here and I am pasting it here. Even here also I forgot to take the padding top and padding bottom. Come back to the advanced, padding bottom I am taking around 50, and padding top I am taking around 70. So next I need inner session also, so drag and drop the inner session here like that, and here I have to change the title and the content also. So here that will be my title, so here I am writing that, and that will be my content, so I am copying it here, and here I have to write it. So next what I have to do, I have to design this team session. So let's come back here. Here I need only single column, so I am deleting the first column. If you want you can give the margin top also, click in this and click in the advanced option, margin top let me take around 30 pixel. Next what I have to do, click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the list agent. So here you can see the WP residence list agent, just drag and drop it here like that, and the number of the item I am making it 3, and number per row here also I am making it 3. Remaining I am keeping as it is, so it's coming properly. So next I have to design this contact form. This form actually I made by using the WP form. So for that again I am opening the dashboard in another tab. Here I need this plugin WP form. Let me create in the add new. Let me enter the name first of all. I am giving as home page inquiry form. Next I am clicking in this blank form. First of all let me take a single line text. So in the single line text click on that, and here the label that will be name, and that is required field. Come back to the advanced option, make it large, and after the placeholder here I am writing name. Next click on the height label and CSS class. Here you can see the show layout. From the single row to column, that will be the first column. So again I need another single line text, click on that. After that click in this, and here my label will be mobile number. Next click in the advanced option, and placeholder also I have to write mobile. Next make it large size, and here I have to take single row 2 column, and that will be the last one. Again I have to enable this hide label option. So next one I need email, so click in the email. So in the email also click on that, come back to the advanced option, that will be the large size, hide label, and after that in the placeholder I have to write email. Next click in the show layout and single row 2 column, that will be the first column, and after that again I need the single line text, and here click in this, and here the label name, that will be city. Next come back to the advanced, the field size make it large, the placeholder text I am entering city name. After that click in this show layout option and single row 2 column, that will be the last column. And next what I need this paragraph text, and here make it required, click in the advanced, and here make it hide label, and the placeholder text, that will be enter message. After that come back to the settings option, and here at the place of the send email, if you want to write anything you can write it, but I am keeping it as it is. Now let me click in the save option, and after that I have to check the preview also. So my form is coming like that. I forgot to hide the label for the city, so you can do easily. Click in the fields, click in the city, click on the hide label, and click in the save option. So it's done here. Now I have to modify this little bit. At present my form is coming like that, but I want this should be look like this. I mean this button should be full width. So for that I already install a plugin. So for that I have to open the customization option, hover on the appearance and click in the customization. At the downside here you can see styler for WP form, click on that. After that in the select form click on that, and here let me select the form, click in the OK. Now I have to click on the submit button. Here the background color, click on that. The background color I need this color, even on the hover color also I need the same color. The alignment make it center aligned. The font color, that will be white color. Even for the font color on hover, that will be also the white color. Next the width I have to make it 100%. Even for this also 100%. Even for this also it will be 100%. Remaining I am keeping as it is. If you want to change the border color you can do that. Suppose I want this color in the border. Once done you have to click in the publish option. So now if I refresh the page, here you can see my form is coming like that. So let me come here, click in the update option, and after that I have to refresh the page once. Now scroll down, click in the plus option, take single row and single column. Now I have to copy this one, and here I have to paste it. Here my title will be this one. So let's come here, and here I have to write that, and after that my content will be this one. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention that content. After that let me increase the font size a little bit for the content. I think that is perfect. Let me increase the line height also a little bit. Next I have to click in this option, make it stress session, click in the style option, click in this, and I have to upload the image also for the background image. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, and after that background overlay I am making it black color. And after that I forgot one thing, I need some padding also. So padding top, that will be 70, and padding bottom, that will be 50. And this text color I have to make it white color. So let me make it white. Even for this one also, I mean for this text editor also the color should be white color. So after that I need that contact form. So click in this, and here I have to search for the WP form. So here you can see the WP form, just drag and drop it here downside like that. So from here I have to select the form. So that is my form I am selecting. Okay, it's coming like that. So the designing of the homepage is finished. Let me check the mobile preview. So for that I have to click in this option and choose the mobile. Okay, in mobile also everything is coming perfectly. So designing of the homepage is complete. Now I have to design the about us page. For that first of all let me come back to the desktop preview. Now click in this and click in the exit to dashboard. Now again I have to click in this double option. Again I have to click in the add new. I am giving the page title as about us. Template, make sure it should be default template. Transparent header, make it yes. This also make it yes. Advanced search bar, make it no. This also make it no. After that header type, make it image. After that I have to insert the header image. So click in the upload image, click in the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the show option, and after that I have to click in the insert into post. Next title over image, so that will be more about us. So here I have to write that, and the subtitle will be this one. So here I have to mention that. Next what I have to do, the image height, let me make it 600 pixel. Next overlay color, let me make it black color. and opacity, let me take it 0.5. So it's done here. Click in the publish option. Next I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So as you can see here, my header is coming like that. I forgot to do one thing, actually I have to do that. So you can come back and click in the exit to dashboard. Actually I have to disable this home and about. So from here you can see the show title, I have to make it no. Now again click in the update option, and after that I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. Okay, now it's quite perfect. And as you can see here, it's coming very small size because I forgot to disable the sidebar. So in the downside here you can see the sidebar option, I have to make it none. Now if I update and click in the edit with Elementor option, now you can see it's coming perfectly. So first of all I have to design this session. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click in the plus option, take single row and single column, and after that I have to take some padding top and bottom. So padding top I am taking 70 and padding bottom I am taking around 50 pixel. Next I need an inner session, so drag and drop the inner session here. Now in a single row I need total 3 columns, so I am making it duplicate ones, and for the first one I have to make it 22%, and for the last one also I have to make it 22%. Next here I need a heading, so drag and drop the heading here, and my heading text that will be more about us. So here I have to mention more about us, make it center aligned, come back to the style option, make it black color. Next I need a text editor, so drag and drop the text editor downside of the heading, and my text editor content should be this one. So come here, and here I have to mention that, and after that I have to make it center aligned, so in the style make it centered. So next what I have to do, I have to design this portion. So again I need another inner session, drag and drop the inner session here like that. Now here I need another text editor, just drag and drop it here like that, and that will be my text editor content. So copy here, and here I have to rotate it, so it's coming like that. We can do one thing, just select that and make it black color. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Even for the second one also, here also I need a text editor, and here my text editor content will be this one. So come here and let me paste the code here and select this one, and I have to make it black color also. That's perfect. Even here also I need another text editor, downside of the text editor, and here the content will be this one, our values. So here I have to mention that, and the color should be, I have to make black color. Even here also I need another text editor, just drag and drop it here like that, and the content will be our resources. So here I have to mention that and make sure that should be black color. So next what I have to do, I have to design this our team session. So again come here, click in the plus option, take single row and single column, click in this, click in the trace session, come back to the style option, click in this, and here I need this color. After that come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking around 70, and padding bottom also I am taking around 50 pixel. So next just copy this session, I mean this inner session, and here I have to paste it. Next what I have to do, here my title will be meet our team. So come back here, and here I have to mention meet our team, and after that the subtitle will be this one. So just copy it from here, and here I am mentioning the subtitle. So after that I need another inner session, so click here and drag and drop the inner session here downside like that. Next I need only single column, so I am deleting the first column. If you want some margin top, click in this and come back to the advanced option, margin, unlock it and make it around 20 pixel top margin, and click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the list agent, drag and drop the list agent here, and here in the settings make it number of the item 6, and after that number of item per row, that make it 3. Okay, it's done here. So next I have to design this testimonial session. I already designed this testimonial session in home page. If you want, you can copy that from home page, else if you want you can design it also. Let me teach you how to copy that. So let me open dashboard in a new tab. So in the pages I have to come to the home page, so that is my home page. Click in the edit with Elementor option. So in the home page let me search for the testimonial session. So that is my testimonial session. We can do one thing, just copy it from here, come back here, and here we can paste it. And after that the background color I have to remove. So click in the edit session option, click in the style option, click in this and click in this clear option. So it's done here. It's very simple. So next what I have to do, I have to design this frequently asked session. So you can come back here, click in the plus option, take single row and single column. Again I have to copy this portion. So copy this and here I have to paste it, and at this time that will be my title. So copy it from here, come back here, and here I have to mention that, and my subtitle content will be this one. So copy it from here, come back here, and let me write it here. So next I have to design this toggles. So come back here, I need a inner session, click in this and drag and drop the inner session here downside like that. Let me take some margin top, so unlock it, and margin top I am taking around 20 pixel. Now here I have to search for the accordion. So as you can see here, WP residence accordion, just drag and drop it here like that. So for the first one, the title will be this and my content will be this. Now for the second one, my title will be this and my content will be this. Let me duplicate it once, and for the third one, my title will be this and my content will be this. Now just copy this one and paste it here. I am keeping the content as it is because it's a dummy website, but if you want you can edit them. So after that I have to design this achievement session, and before that I have to change the background color also for this. As you can see here, there is a blue color background. So for that, what I have to do, just come back here, click in this edit session option, this one, and make it trace session, and click in the style option, click in this, and from here I have to change the background color. Next click in the advanced and unlock the padding top I am taking around 70 pixel, and padding bottom also I am taking around 50 pixel. So next click in this plus option, take single row and single column, click in this, and now here also I need some padding top and bottom. So padding top I am taking 70 and padding bottom also I am taking around 50 pixel. Now again I have to copy this portion, so copy it and here I have to paste it. Next what I have to do, so that will be my title. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention that, and that will be my subtitle. So here I have to mention the subtitle. So it's done here. Now I need 3 achievement block. This also called counter block also. So here I need another inner session. Drag and drop the inner session here like that. In a single row there will be total 3 column. So just duplicate it once. Now click in this and click in the advanced option. Unlock the margin top I am taking around 20 pixel. So click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the counter. Here you can see the counter, just drag and drop it here like that, and the number I am making it 1000. As you can see here, that is 1000, and in the prefix that should be the rupee sign. So here I have to enter the rupee sign, and after that the suffix that should be CR, crore, and the title will be this. Next come back to the style option, and in the number click in the typography. First of all I have to decrease the weight in 400, and after that I have to change the color also. Suppose I am taking this color. Next let me decrease the font size also little bit. I think that is quite perfect, 48, even 45 also perfect. Next what I have to do, just copy this one, paste it here, even I have to paste it here also. Now click in the second one, that will be 400, and the title will be this one. Now click in the last one, the third one. Here I am making it 4 billion, the suffix I am making it billion, and the text will be lifetime sale volume. Remaining I am keeping as it is. So next I have to design this contact form. I already designed this session in the home page, so we can do one thing. So from the home page we can just copy this one, and here we can just paste that. So it's come here like that. Let me do one thing, the background image let me make it center, and the size let me make it cover. Even for this home page also let me do that. So come back to the style option, make it center, and the size make it cover. I think that's look quite good. So designing of the about us page is also complete. Now I have to design property list page. So for that click in this, click in the exit to dashboard option, and after that again click in the W option, click in the add new option. Next the title I am writing property list, template I am keeping default. So title make it no, transparent header make it no, after that transparent top bar that also make it no, this also make it no, and after that advanced search that also I does not required, so make it no, even this also make it no. The header type let me take the Google map. Now it asking by default at which location you want to show. At that location latitude and longitude I have to enter here. So let me open the Google map. Suppose I want to enter this location latitude and longitude, so just right click on the place and copy that. So now come back here, and here I have to paste that latitude and longitude. So that is the latitude and that is the longitude. So at the place of longitude I have to paste that, remove the comma sign. Zoom level suppose I am taking 14. After that height of the map when close, suppose I am making it 400. even for this also let me make it 400. After that focus map on the close size I'm keeping it empty. Next remaining I'm keep as it is and click in the publish option and let me check how it's looking. So for that after publish again I have to click in this edit with Elementor option. Okay, it's coming like that. Again I forgot to remove the sidebar, so again click in the exit to dashboard, scroll down the sidebar, make it none, click in the update option and after that again I have to click in the edit with Elementor option. Now click in the plus option and here I have to search for the property list with filter. Here I am first of all taking single row and single column and after that let me search for the property list with filter, drag and drop the property list with filter here. So it's coming like that. The number of the item, suppose let me make it 15, remaining I am keeping as it is. After that I have to click in the update option. So next I have to design the blog page. Again click in this and click in the exit to dashboard option. After that again I have to click in this W option. After that again I have to click in this add new option. The page name I am giving as blog and after that show title let me make it no. After that transparent header, yes, this also yes, this also yes. After that advanced search bar, make it no, this also no. Header type, let me make it image and after that I have to upload the image, click in the upload image and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the show option. After that I have to click in the insert into the post. Next title over image, let me take it our stories. Subtitle I am not writing anything. Next overlay color, make it black color and the opacity let me make it 0.4 or 0.5 whatever. Sidebar, make it none. Scroll up and click in the publish option, keep it as it is. Now again click in this W option. Now let me create the developer pages. So again click in the add new. After that I am giving the title as developers. From the page template I am choosing developer list. So the title make it no. This I am keeping as it is. The advanced search option, here I am making it no and the header type I am choosing image. Click in the upload image. From the media library, suppose I am choosing this image, click in the show option and after that click in the insert into the post. The title I am writing this one and the subtitle I am writing this. Overlay color, let me add the black color and the opacity let me take it 0.5. After that let me click in the publish option. So now again click in this W option, click in the add new. I am going to create this page. So the page title I am giving at agencies and from this template option I have to choose agency list. Next show title, make it no. Transparent header, make it no. This also make it no. And after that select header type, make it image. Click in the upload image. Click in the media library. So from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the show option. After that click in the insert into the post. Next the title will be this and the subtitle will be this one. So here I have to mention the subtitle. After that overlay color, make it black and opacity I am taking 0.5 and after that let me click in the publish option. So after that I have to create the agent list page also. So click in this W option, click in the add new. So the title I am writing as agent list and from the template I am to choose agent list and the page settings, so title make it no. Transparent header, that's make it no. After that the advanced search, make it no. And after that select header type, make it image. Click in the upload image. Click in the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the show option. After that I have to click in the insert into the post. So next that will be the title. So here I have to mention the title and after that that will be the subtitle. So here I have to mention the subtitle. Opacity color, overlay color I am making it black color and opacity I am taking 0.5 and after that I have to click in the publish option. Next another page left out, I have to create the contact us page also. So again I have to click in this W option, click in the add new. In the title I am writing as contact us and after that from the template I am choosing contact page. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Click in the publish option. So I think I designed almost all the pages what I required. So next I have to design the header. But before designing the header I have to set up the home page and blog page. So for that hover on the settings and click in the reading option. From there I have to choose this one, a static page, and now for the home page I have to select home and for the post page I have to select blog. After that I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to design the header menu, means main menu. So for that hover on the appearance and click in the menus. Now for creating the menu, here first of all I have to enter the menu name. I am giving the menu name as main menu. Next from there I have to choose mobile menu and primary menu. Next I have to click in the create menu option. Next I have to click in the view all. So from there I need home, about us, blog, agent list, agency list, contact us, developers, property list. After that I have to click in the add to menu. Now after home page, about us page should be there. So here let me make it about us. After that property list page should be there. So drag and drop the property list page here. After the property list blog page, next developers page. After that agency, agent list and contact us page. After that I have to click in the save menu. Now let me check how my website is looking now. So as you can see here, my menu bar is working perfectly. Now let me teach you how to add the top bar. So for that I have to click in the widgets. So here you can see top bar left widget and top bar right widget area. So first of all let me click in the top bar left widget area and click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the social links. So here you can see WP social links. Click on that. Now one by one I have to enter all the link. I am giving the hash sign because that's a dummy website. I am not going to enter the real link, but you have to enter your real link. So once done, now I have to design the top bar right widget area. So for that again click in this, and here I have to click in the plus option again, and here I have to search for the HTML. Click on that. Now open the folder which link I already gave you in the video description. There you can find a text folder name as top bar right. So from there what you have to do, just copy the entire thing, close it, and here I have to paste that. You can check the preview also, it's coming like that. So from here you can easily edit your mobile number and email ID. From the HTML you can edit that. Now let me click in the update option. Now let me come back to the website and refresh the page once. So as you can see here, all the social media icon is coming perfectly. Even the contact phone number and email ID is also coming perfectly. If you want to disable the top bar, then what you have to do, you have to click in the WP residence option. After that I have to click in the header option. So from there you can see show top bar widget menu. You have to make it no, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Like that you can disable the top bar. Now if I see the website, click in the view site. So now here you can see there is no top bar. So now I have to design the footer. So in my demo website, here you can see my footer should be look like that. So for that again I have to come back to the widget area. Here you can see the first footer widget area. Click in this and click in the plus option. Now here I have to search for the contact. So here you can see WP start contact. Click on that. So here I have to enter my address. After that I have to enter my phone number, next fax number. After that I have to enter my email ID, Skype ID, website URL, URL text. Next I have to click in the second footer widget area. Click on that. Now click in this plus option. Here I have to search for the category. Click on this list property by categories. Now click in the third one, and here click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the latest listing, this one. So latest listing, number of the properties should be listed 4, and after that from here click in the all, this one also all, this one also all, remaining keeping as it is, and after that I have to click in the update option. Another thing I forgot, in the first widget area, just expand it, click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the social links, and here I have to enter all the important links for the social media. Once done, again I have to click in the update option. Now let me come back to the website and refresh the page. Now scroll down, let me check the footer is coming or not. So as you can see here, my footer is coming perfectly, but in the downside here you can see in the footer menu so many items is coming, even it's not looking good also. So you can do one thing, we can create a footer menu. So for that again I have to click in the menu option. Okay, I think I have to update it again. Once updated, I have to click in the menus. As you can see here in the demo website, there are only documentation, video tutorial and client support. Only 3 links is there. So you can do one thing, just come back here, click in the create a new menu option again, and from here let me make a footer menu. Next I have to click in this footer menu here and click in the create menu option. Let me add total 3 links here, and after that click in the add to menu option, and after that click in the save menu option. Now let's come back here and refresh the page once. Now let's scroll down. Okay, now we can see it's coming perfectly. In my demo website you can see here, when I opening a single property, a sidebar is coming, but in my website if I open a single property, no sidebar is coming. So you can do one thing, again come back to the widget area. So here you can see the primary widget area, click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the latest listing. Click in this one. The title I am writing latest listing for sale. How many property? Let me keep it 3 only. After that click here sale option, and after that click here all, here also all. After that click in the update option. Now let me come here and refresh the page once. Now scroll down. So as you can see it's coming here Similarly, you can add latest listing for the rent also. So again I have to click in the plus option, and again I have to search for the latest listing. Click on this one, and here I have to write latest listing for rent, and here I have to choose rent option, and here all here also I have to choose all. Click in the update option. Even if you want to show or highlight any feature property, always you can do that also. So for that you have to search for the feature listing. Click on that. So it asking the property ID. Let me open the dashboard in another page and come back to the properties. Suppose I want to highlight this property. So the ID is 156. So here I have to mention that, and after that I have to click in the update option. Once done, just come back here and refresh the page once for checking everything is working or not. So as you can see here, latest listing for sale is coming, rent, latest listing for rent is also coming, and this feature property listing is also coming here. Now let me tell you how a third party person can register themselves as a agent or a agency or a developer and listed their property in your website. So for that, first of all I have to open the website in a private window. So click in this private window and I am pasting the URL. So as you can see here, add listing option is coming, and here you can see the profile option is coming. Let me click on that. So first of all, it asking for the login. I don't have any login ID and password, so I have to click in the register option. So here let me fill all the information. After filling all the information, from this drop down I have to select my role. So I am choosing agent here. You can choose anything. Next I have to accept with the terms and condition, and next I have to click in the register option. So as you can see here, it processing now. So account already created, so you can log in now. So click in the back to login. So here I am entering my username. After that I have to enter the password. Next I have to click in the login option. So it's redirecting now. Login successful. So this window will open. So from there, if user want, they can fill their complete profile page. Like he can put the first name here, after that last name, after the phone number, email ID already here. Next again mobile number, after the Skype ID, member of. Next he can enter his Facebook URL, Instagram URL, Twitter URL, Pinterest URL, LinkedIn URL. After that he can enter the website URL also. After that he can choose the category like commercial or residential. Suppose I am choosing residential, and he can choose the action category also. Suppose I am choosing complete service. If you want to add the custom field data, always he can do that also. After that, agent city location, suppose that is Hyderabad. Or the state and country, that will be India. Area, that will be Hyderabad also. Next agent details also you can enter here. Like here you can enter the agent position. After that, if you want to write the bio or about me information little bit, he can write that. And not only that, if you want, he can upload the profile photo also. For that you have to click in the upload profile image. Suppose that is the profile image, click in the open option. So next scroll down and click in the update profile option. So as you can see here, profile already updated. Not only that, if you want to change the password, he can do that also. After that, for creating the new property, you have to click in the add new property option. But you can see it's redirecting into the main page, because he already registered himself as an agent, but admin till not approve him as an agent. So for that, let me come back to the admin dashboard. So that is my admin dashboard. So from there I have to click in the agent option. So as you can see here, one agent showing as pending. So as a admin you have to open that agent, and after that as a admin you have to publish that. Once you published as a agent, then admin already approved that agent. Now let me come back to the agent window. So that is the agent window. Now click in this, and after that click in the add new property. So now you can see this add new property window is open. So from here you have to enter the property title. After that you have to enter the property description. Next, if the property belongs to sale, then you have to enter the property rate. Next, if the property belongs to rent, then you have to enter the per month option here. Next, you have to select the property category. Suppose that is a apartment. After the listed in for sales. Now you have to enter the address. Let me enter a dummy address. After that you have to enter the country, India. City, that will be Hyderabad. Neighborhood, so neighborhood area it's not showing, leave it. Then you have to enter the zip code. After the country, by default it's India. Next you have to enter the exact pin location. If you know the exact pin location, it's okay. Suppose that is my exact pin location. If he does not know, he can enter the latitude and longitude, and after that he can click in this place pin with property address. After that keep them as it is. If you want to enter the energy class, he can do that. Energy index, suppose that is 750, property size 350, lot size 400, room 3, bedroom 2, bathroom 3. After, if he want to enter the agent or owner info, he can give here. After the property status, suppose that is open house. Next, whatever the feature is available, he have to select from here. After that, if you want to enable the sub unit, he can do that. So next, what he have to do, after that he have to enter a image for the property. Click in the select media, suppose that is the image, click in the open. After that, if you want to add the floor plan, then he can enable that, and after that he can click in the add floor plan. After that, if he have any virtual tour code, he can enter here, and after that if he have the property related video, he can choose the source of the video, Vimeo or YouTube, and after that he can enter the URL here. Once done, scroll down and click in the add property. So as you can see here, please wait while your property is processed and submit. So as you can see here, the property already submitted, but this property will not showing in the property list. As you can see here, I am clicking in the property list, but this property is not coming because again you need the admin approval. So let me again come back to the admin panel. From there you have to click in the properties. So now you can see one property is pending. Once as a admin you open the property, review the property and click in the publish option, now you can see that property get published in the website. Let me come back to the agent window. So as you can see here, till now the property is not displaying. Now let me refresh the page once. Once I refresh the page, now let me select the Hyderabad. As you can see, this property is displaying. Here you can see the agent name also. So in this way, any third party person can come to your website and register themselves as a agent or a agency or a developer and listed their property in the website. I am ending the video tutorial here. Hope you understand how to create the website by using this WP Resident theme. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. Hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.